G'day folks, Anthony from Lloyd's Auctions here, and it's my absolute pleasure to present to you this Supra SA450 wake boat. We've taken it out on the water this morning to run it through its paces, and it's an absolute beauty. Let's go check it out. This incredible vessel and loads more are going under the hammer this Saturday at 2 p.m. in our quality boats, caravans and recreation assets auction. Don't miss your opportunity. Get to lloydsauctions.com.au. We'll see you at the auction.